My name's Tom O'Brien. We own Oxford Lawn Services. We've been operating for about 18 years. We are a lawn restoration company. We fix grass. We use multiple pieces of equipment. We use aeration machines, compost top dressing machines, spreader and sprayer machines. We went over to electric when we started having a lot of maintenance issues. Us having downtime on our equipment is a huge effect on the bottom line because there's a big ripple effect. When a machine goes down, that means multiple other people and trucks have to scramble, so the whole system gets out of whack. My initial hesitation of getting into battery electric powered machinery was the cost. Once you're gonna make that initial investment and you've made the mindset to change to electric, you really need to know what battery system is the one to go with. Vanguard was the answer. And then we found out Vanguard is being used in multiple other manufacturers, which makes that the answer because you can just take one battery and power all your other pieces of equipment. The Vanguard system is really easy to use. It has a big handle on top of the battery. It's a one-handed operation. You can take it from one machine, unclip it, pull it out, walk over to the other machine that you need to use next and just drop it right in there. And we have been really impressed with how long the batteries do last. We get about 80 to 90 minutes on the Classen turf rake, and we get about 2.5 hours of top dressing time with the Eco Lawn top dresser. And that's awesome because even though we're on a job for 2 to 3 hours, those machines are probably only running for about half hour to 45 minutes. So now when you have the runtime that you can get out of one battery, we know we're good. And the recharge time for the batteries is much faster. It takes about 75 minutes to charge a battery. So we are charging a battery faster than we can run one down. So one of the key features that we found is that having 2 batteries and 1 charger is all we need to run with. So we will never run out of power. All day long, we're good to go. It feels great to have that level of reliability because there's a lot of other stress factors out here that we need to deal with. The battery has been the answer for us. It's been incredible. We're very happy with the quietness. It helps with the crews too. Now we can communicate to each other. We don't have to worry about noise or noise ordinances that do exist in certain municipalities. For our long-term plans, the electrification of our machinery fits right in with our plan. One of the reasons we chose Vanguard is because of their reputation. They've been around a very long time. They have integrity. There's a legacy behind them. There are other off-brands out there that you don't know what you're going to get. If you're going to make the investment and make the investment smartly, you want to go with a brand name. Vanguard is the name in this industry as far as the electric motors and the batteries. We did our research. It was just the right answer.